Here's how you can easily transfer a website to a client or between your Elementor Hosting subscriptions. Start by heading to your My Elementor dashboard and hover over the website you'd like to transfer. Then click Manage this website. On the left-hand menu, go to Advanced and select Site Management. Click Start Transfer to begin the process. Choose To Myself if you want to transfer a website to another Elementor Hosting subscription you own, and To Client to transfer a site directly to a client. When transferring to a client, enter their email address and click Continue. Review all the details carefully, and once you're sure everything is correct, check the confirmation box and click Send Invite. Keep in mind that the new owner has 5 days to accept the invitation before it expires. Once you've completed this step, click Done. Great! The invite has been sent to the website's new owner. They'll receive an email with an invitation to accept the transfer. To complete it, they'll need an active Elementor hosting plan that matches the website's requirements. If they have multiple subscriptions, Elementor will automatically select the most suitable one. If they don't have a matching plan, we'll recommend the best option for them to purchase. Once these steps are completed, the site transfer is finalized, giving the new owner full control of their website. Our pros are here to assist if you still need any help. Feel free to reach out at any time.